YouTube, Eric DIY with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the RinseKit Plus. So the reason why I got a RinseKit Plus is because I wanted something that maybe potentially could be used as a camping shower. However, I found that this is really versatile and does a lot more than just taking a shower. First, we're going to show you how it works. The whole kit itself is this one box. It comes with a nice carrying handle right here and a very secure clip to keep it closed when you're not using it. When we open up the RinseKit, we have the main hose, which is permanently attached. It also comes with a nice sprayer on the top. And as a part of the Plus, they give you the hot water sink adapter. If you want to have hot water instantly in there, they give you a brass attachment. You attach it to a sink. It's also good if you live in an apartment and cannot go to a fill spout on the outside. The way that you use the RinseKit is you typically need something with pressure. So we have a garden hose that we're going to unattach right there. And we're going to fill up the RinseKit with that. Inside the RinseKit, and they have a little place for the adapter, but you pull it out of here. This is the adapter that goes onto the hose for the house. Remember, it has to be a pressurized water supply. So in other words, it has to be a normal output of water from your house, from your town or sewer district or whatever it is. It needs to be pressurized. But we're just going to screw this little adapter on. And then the next step is to take your hose, and you have the sprayer. You're going to push down on this and take it off. It's okay if water came out. That's just remnants of water from before. Has an on and off switch. You see if it's on, it's pressurized still because I left a little bit of water in there from last time. You can turn it off. To put it on the adapter, you want to have it off for now, just to make sure that there's nothing going in there. So let's pop it right on there. And then we're going to turn this on with that little on-off button. And we're going to let it fill. It takes about 30 seconds to fill it. And you know it's full when you don't hear any more water rushing into that. Alright, and it's just about full because you didn't hear it anymore. So what you're going to do now is you're going to turn it off right here by pushing off. And turn the faucet off. And then finally you're going to push down on this blue thing to detach it from the hose adapter. Now that you have that detached, you're going to attach the sprayer just by pushing it right back on there, and you turn it on and you'll feel a little push. That's the pressure from the inside on, and there you go, it's ready to go. So I was going to spray the RinseKit myself, but I hired a professional. I have my son Zach. He's going to demonstrate the many different spray settings on the sprayer that they give you, which is a nice thing to have, so that way you can use as much or as little water as you want. Okay, Zach, show us the shower setting on the RinseKit. Look at that. That's going halfway the yard over there. Nice job. Keep it going, Zach. All right, let's turn that off. And now turn that little dial thing, and we're going to set it to the jet setting. Please show us the jet setting. Oh, yeah, that looks like fun. You could spray some people down with that one, huh? All right, please turn it off. Go to the next one, please. And we have the flat setting. So this should be like a flat level plane of water. Yeah, and that wind's helping us here. Whoa, I just want the camera to get wet. Good, turn it off. Go to the next setting. This is the center spray. Nice job. This is the one that I like for a camping shower because I found through testing that this uses the least amount of water with the most volume. So this will last you about 4 minutes with the RinseKit. Whereas if you did the normal shower one, it lasts about 1:40, almost 2 minutes. So when they say that it sprays for 4 minutes, it really depends on what setting you have. And go to the next one, please. This is the mist one. This is going to feel misty. Oh, are you spraying yourself?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. So that's a pretty good setting if you just want to cool off in the middle of summer. This is the shower setting again. This one uses the most amount of water, but you can clearly see why. There's a lot of volume on that. And Zach, I want you to hold that down till it dies out. Keep it going, man. Water that grass. Yeah, grass is thirsty. Grass wants some water. It's thirsty. Not the camera button. At the grass. If the RinseKit loses pressure, it doesn't spray as far. That's when you know you're running out of water. So, but again, the shower setting is probably the one that uses the most water from my testing. For filling it once, that certainly did spray a lot of water. Do you agree, Zach?
Yep.
Yeah, so the rinse kit overall is really good. It was actually, I think, featured on Shark Tank, and it was created by a surfer that wanted some way of washing off before going to work. This kit, you know, honestly, you take it to the beach. Let's say you get to the car, you know that there's going to be sand on you still. It doesn't matter what you do. Well, you have this ready to go. It's pressurized from home. You spray the sand off, you dry it off with a towel, you are sand free. So that is going to be awesome. RinseKit Plus, honestly, it's a great little product. Make sure that you know what each setting sprays at and what it does. Again, if you're going to use this for a camping shower, which was my original goal, I would not use the shower setting because that will only last you 1:40. I would rather use the center setting, which gives you a nice spreading of the volume of water, and it will last you about 4 minutes. And again, you want it on and off when you shower, so that way you save the maximum amount of water. They do sell other things for this rinse kit, by the way, and if I ever get them, I'll make another review. They do sell a heater that goes into the 12-volt outlet of your car to heat the water up. They also sell some type of bag that pushes the pressure in with the water in case you're camping, so that way you can take this out and fill it up with like stream water or whatever and push it in there. As far as the rinse kit with just coming out of the faucet, I think it's excellent. It's wonderful. It'll keep that pressure as long as you need it, and it's great. Easy to use too. If you'd like to purchase your RinseKit Plus, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're there, why not also push on the bell notification icon so you can be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. And as always, have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.